In this e-learning tutorial, we are going to see about the set operators in the Oracle. The set operators, it is used to join the result of the two or more select statement into a single result. The queries containing the set operators, which is called as an component queries. All set operators can have the equal precedence. The operators that is available in Oracle are union, union all, intersect and the minus. We are going to see about the one by one in the detail. First, we are going to see about the union operator. Union is used to combine the result of the two select statement. It removes the duplicate from the result. That is, only one row will be listed for the each duplicate result. Now we are going to consider here an example. Here it contains two table, which is called as a department table, and another one is called as an employee table. In department table we have the three fields, whereas in employee table we have the three fields. The columns which is to be found here. Now I am going to write a query called as a select department ID name from the department table. Now I am going to mention here as a union, the keyword. Then another query I am going to return as a select employee ID name from an employee table. So from this result it fetch here from the both the records there is no both columns are equal. So it returns all the records from both the tables. So from department ID 101 record, and here we are going to search from an employee table another 101 record. So no both columns are both rows are equal, so it retrieves all the records from the result table. Next we are going to see about the union all. It combines the result set of two or more select statement. It returns all the rows from the query and it does not remove the duplicate row between the various select statement. Each row select statement within an Oracle can have the union all operator must have the same number of fields in the result set with the similar data types. Now here is a syntax for writing the union all. So this is the first query, and now I am going to write a keyword called as a union all. The next one is a second query, whereas here the expression 1 and expression 2 up to expression here you mention it here as a columns which we are going to retrieve, and here the table is from which table we are going to retrieve the records. Next one is a where condition is a optional one. Now consider an example from these both the tables, from employee table and the department table. Now here I have mentioned in the query called as a union all. So here from this result it shows that all the records from the department table and employee table will be listed in the result table. Next one is the intersect. Intersect operator is used to return the result of two or more select statement. It returns a distinct row in all the queries, the record that exists in both the data set. Here it shows when that is the both the records, that is for example we going to see the example. Before that we are going to see about the syntax. Here I am going to mention one is the intersect the keyword. Consider an example from these two table. Only the it contains the both the rows, it contains the value. So 101 which it here I am going to mention the keyword from the both the queries called as an intersect. That is the next one is from this here from 101 I'm going to check it in an employee table and 101 is appearing here. So this is a common, so it display the first record is 101 will be appeared. Then second record, that is 105, here it going to search whether it is available in the employee table. Not it is available, so it leave this record. Then another one is the 107. We are going to check whether it is available in the employee table. Yes, it is available in an employee table. The second record is a 107 will be retrieved, and the third record 108. You are going to search here the 108, so it is not available. So only the common records from both the table will be retrieved here. Next one is a minus operator. It is used to return all distinct row in the first select statement that are not returned by the second select statement. Here it is a syntax. Only the keyword here I am going to mention for the both the queries between is a minus operator. So from this example here, consider this. Um, from the that is an opposite of an intersect operator here. Consider this again the same two tables, that is the department table as well as the employee table. Here all records will be displayed from the first table, as we have mentioned in the first state, all distinct row from the first select state. So all the records will be retrieved from here. Now first record is in 101. Now I am going to find in the second table whether it is 101 is available. Yes, it is available. So this record will be get omitted. Next it going to search the 105. Here whether it is available the 105. No, it is not available. So first record is result is 105 will be retrieved. Then second one, there is a 107. Now I am going to search it here. The 107 is available or yes, it is available. So this record will also be get omitted. The next one is at 108. Yes, you're going to search it in the employee table. No, it is not available. So 105 and 108 record will be displayed as a result. So thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel to view the further tutorials about the oracles. Thank you.